Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can add text in a MyMovie, and it's honestly really easy. So you got a clip, and let's say that I want to add a text here of Buddha. So what I'm going to do, I will click here in a left down menu text. I will write here, I don't know, Buddha. Okay, and I got it. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller. You can move it. It's really amazing. And as you can see, you can paste it like here. Okay, like that. So amazing. Look at that. So that's kind of it. And now you can edit it. You can make these epic effects, but let's keep it none. Now you can also change the color of your text, but I will leave it white. You can do the shadow, for example yellow, and you can have a border around your video, which is also pretty cool. Then you can change the font of your video. Let's just leave it on Buddha. And how to move it. So click on it and you can edit it like this. Just move it with the fingers. So like here it will be. Again, edit it, fonts, and you can then have alignment if you have many more text, and you can just make different shadow for your text. And that's kind of it. So this is how you can add text in a MyMovie. If this video was helpful, you can support me with subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Also write me in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video.